Okay, this is Access Chapter 13, movie number 5, and we just finished with step 15. We closed the Visual Basic Editor and saved changes to the form. Excuse me. So we need to switch to Form View of the PUTS menu. We did. Navigate to Participant ID 1 and test the procedure by clicking the button. So we clicked it, it pulled the billing address and put it in the mailing address. Kind of cool. Save that. Done with 16. Okay, open the Visual Basic Editor by pressing Alt F11. If you're on a a laptop, you might have to do Function Alt 11. Add the Edit toolbar to the right of the Standard toolbar. Okay, so let's see how we do that. So we want to do View. Let's see, click View, Toolbars, Edit. We're going to take Edit, and I think we want to just pop it up next to here so it locks it in. All right, open the Form Participant object. So let's open this up a little bit. And open the form in the Project Explorer window. Click the line under Private Sub. Okay, hold on. Okay guys, sorry about that. I was over here in Word when I did the Alt F11, so it brought up the VB editor for Word, so I was a little confused there for a minute. So, okay, so I need to do this over. View, Toolbars, Edit, bring the edit up. Okay, that makes more sense. All right, so then open the Form Participant object. So Form Participant object, that's what, let's see. In the Project Explorer window, click the line under Private Sub in the code window. Okay, so they have you do all this with the comment block. I'm just reading what they want us to do. Here's the deal. I'm going to hit enter here. Anything you begin with a apostrophe turns into a comment. This procedure will copy the billing address information to the mailing address fields. Okay, when I hit enter, it is green. Okay, so they had you type it and then use the on the edit up here, use the comment block button. I find it just as easy to put an apostrophe. Anytime you know, like I could come over here and begin apostrophe here and put stuff in, and then from that point on it becomes ignored by the compiler and it's a comment. So we're going to put that in. I'm going to save it. And close this. So we're going to close this one, and what do they want us to open? Open the macro import participants, right? So all I did was double click under modules, this converted macro. done with 17. We're on to 18. So we opened it, oops. Click to place the insertion point on the line below the function statement. So here, and then enter apostrophe this procedure imports new participants into the PUTS, if I can spell right, database. Enter. Okay, so we're done here. Put a comment in. Now we're going to do some error checking. So right here where we're at, we're going to put in on error, go to import participants error. Okay. So we're just typing it up. So we're saying, hey, if there's an error, then go to import participant errors, which we have to actually create. So I'm going to turn that, and then let's go to 20. Click to place the insertion point above the end function, right? Because we still want this error in here. So after the end with, we're going to put, okay, what happens? So import participants exit, enter, tab, exit function, enter, enter. We're going to go back, import participants error, colon, enter, tab, message box, error, oops, message box, underscore, error, $, enter. Okay, so we're going to save that. I'm going to explain a little bit about what that is. So the first is a what happens if they pick exit. It's going to exit the function, so it's going to get out of there. This, checking for an error, if an error is found, then it's going to go and find this. So whatever you type here has to match this line here. Then afterwards we're going to put message box error, and it's going to display that if it finds an error. Okay, so I think that's it. We're done. So we can do one of those. We can do one of those, and we are done. So save, file, close, and that. So if we do import, oh, I have a typo. MSG box. Oops. I have an error, so that's a good thing. I'm going to do OK. Save. See if this fixes it. Okay. Compile error. Okay. All right. Okay, I do want to show you what happens here. Okay, so we're now in this debug. So I'm going to stop, which will reset it. I'm going to come up here to debug, and let's see, continue, import participants. Okay, I have an error. You have it spelled right, wrong. See how I said you had to have it exactly? And this is, so that's pants. Save. I'm going to stop debugging, save, file, close and return. Let's see if it works. All right. So now let me cancel. You canceled the import. So that worked. Import. I don't want to, I'm going to cancel again. So it's working. All right. So good luck. Go ahead and submit it, and please let me know if you have any problems.